Well, today we saw some on and off flurries throughout the afternoon, and now we're going to notice more accumulating snows entering as we head throughout the overnight and for most of this weekend, as it does look to be very active for us. But here's a look at the radar. You can see that heavier snows were farther off to our south down into Wisconsin and even pushing down into Indiana and Ohio, but not much heavy snow for us right now. We'll see that moderate snow pick up by tonight and then also see more of that as we head into the weekend. So get ready for a very, very snowy Saturday and Sunday. Let's take a look at our current conditions. We are at 12 degrees. West winds currently at 5 miles per hour. Just a few rays of sunshine, but those will quickly go away as we head into the overnight. Temps lower teens in Marquette at 12 degrees. Off to the west, temps a little warmer actually. 16 in Ironwood, at 14 in Ontonagon. A little farther south, not quite as warm in here into portions of eastern UP. 14 in Munising, 16 down to Escanaba, and at 12 in Ishpeming. Now let's go ahead and take a look at your current winds as they're coming in mostly from the west. 5 in Marquette, 8 in Munising, and at 8 also in Escanaba. Not anywhere as breezy as what we saw yesterday as they were gusting upwards to 40 miles per hour at times, but today it has been mostly a tranquil day in comparison to what we saw yesterday. Winds coming in from the north here in Houghton at 10 miles per hour, but as we head into the overnight, it's expecting to see more of that north and northwesterly flow, which will actually start to bring in more of that cooler air as we go back into Saturday and Sunday. It looks like highs push back down into maybe more of the mid and lower teens as opposed to the upper teens and the lower 20s that we saw today. And temperatures across the board, 19 here in Marquette, a little farther off to the south at 23 in Gaylord, 28 in Oscoda, and even seeing more of the upper 20s farther south in the state. But what about wind chills? Currently at 1 degree in Marquette, 4. Oh, it's changing right there before our eyes. 5 degrees currently in Escanaba. 3 over to Sault Ste. Marie, 5 in Ironwood, and farther south seeing some teens in Traverse City, Manistee, and also all the way over into Port Huron. So let's take a look at our headlines because the dusting of snow will arrive tonight. A few of us might even pick up a little more than that, seeing closer to an inch, but accumulations really begin to pick up as we head into Saturday and Sunday as temps cool back off for us, and we'll see more of the same, accumulating snow and also more cool temps below average for us as we head into Sunday. So let's take a look at how much snow we are expecting over the weekend time frame. The farther north and east you go, between 4 to 8 inches is what we'll be expecting, and farther to the south and west, we'll be looking for between 3 to 6 inches of snow, and that's going to be a very snowy weekend for us. It's not out of the question, too, that a few of us in the farther northern regions in this blue shaded area, dark blue shaded area, could see closer to a foot. But as of right now, just calling for 4 to 8 inches. And this is going to be the reason why. It looks like the storm track is going to be right over the UP and going into the northern Great Lakes. We'll see one wave of snow come through, and then we'll see another one as we go into the latter portions of Saturday and also on Sunday. So there goes the train. It just keeps and keeps coming, providing more and more snow. Let's take a look at your Futurecast model. Here comes the first wave as we go throughout the remainder of the night. Just that first weak wave providing that dusting to an inch, and then seeing better snows as we go into Saturday, seeing another opportunity. It looks like it's mostly directed towards the north, but still going to see snow across the UP, and then seeing that as we go into Sunday, it continues on for us before a lot of this activity eventually does die off as we get closer to Monday. So for tonight, we'll drop down to 9 degrees with those flurries beginning to move in. North-northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we take a look at Saturday, east-northeast winds will be at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but temperatures 18 degrees in Lawrence, 24 a little farther south in Crystal Falls, and we'll call for 23 in Munising. Your 7-day forecast, 18 on Saturday, 17 on Sunday, but then back in the 20s as we head into Monday. But you will have to deal with the snow over the weekend if you do have any outdoor plans that involve snow. Hey, this is going to be a great weekend for you as you'll have a new added fresh cover of snow as we go throughout the next 2 days, but seeing more tranquil conditions as we go into Monday and Tuesday before another chance of snow comes in by next Wednesday.